Tired of failed international transfers because you entered the wrong recipient details? Learn exactly how to add a recipient in Wise step by step. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each field, from selecting currency to entering bank details, so you never mess up a transfer again. All right, let's start by navigating to the Recipients page. This is where all your saved recipients live, and it's the first place you need to go. Just look for the Recipients link in your Wise dashboard and click it. So now that we're on the Recipients page, let's click the Add button to create a new recipient. It's usually a big blue button that stands out. You really can't miss it. Now, here's where the setup begins. First, choose the currency for the transfer. And here's the thing, Wise supports dozens of currencies, so take your time and pick the one that matches what your recipient needs. Click on the currency field and scroll through the list. Once you've got your currency selected, choose bank details as the transfer method. Wise offers a few different ways to send money, but for most people, bank details is the simplest and most reliable option. Just click on Bank Details. Now, you need to indicate whether the recipient is yourself or someone else. This might seem like a small detail, but it actually helps Wise apply the right rules and fees. So click on Someone Else to move forward. All right, now we're getting into the actual recipient information. Start by filling in the recipient's email address. This is really important because Wise will send a confirmation to this email, so double check that it's correct. You don't want that confirmation bouncing back. Next, enter the recipient's full legal name. And I cannot stress this enough. Use their exact legal name as it appears on their bank account. Not a nickname, not just a first name, but their full name. Even a small difference can cause a transfer to get stuck, and nobody wants that. Now, type the name of the recipient's bank. This one is usually straightforward, but if you're unsure, just check their bank statement or ask them directly. Wise will try to auto-complete it, so start typing and see if it pops up. Here's a step that sometimes catches people off guard. Provide the recipient's home address for verification. This doesn't need to match their bank address exactly, but it should be their real residential address. Just fill in the street, city, and country as usual. Now for the critical part. Enter the bank account number carefully. One wrong digit and the money ends up somewhere it shouldn't. Take your time here. Read it off twice if you have to. I've said it before in this tutorial, and I'll say it again. Accuracy is everything with international transfers. Finally, click Continue to save the recipient. Wise will process the information and confirm the recipient is added. This might take a moment to process, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully added a recipient in Wise. No more guessing, no more failed transfers. From here, you can start a new transfer whenever you're ready, knowing the details are completely correct. If you found this helpful, stick around for more practical tutorials like this one.